Hi, it's John McIntyre here from hotpmo.com. Just wanted to take a minute to talk to you about what we've got coming up on this week's PMO Working From Home session. It's something we run in collaboration with PMO Flashmob at 3 p.m. UK time every Wednesday on Zoom. This week we've got Ken Burrell joining us. He's the author of Learning Lessons from Projects, and he's going to tell us his story of how he was all set up to run a lessons learned workshop with a client, which he then found suddenly had to be delivered remotely from home because that's where most of the team found themselves working. He's going to tell us how he had to discover the right tools to use online, a series of trial and error he went through to try and get those tools working effectively. And what we should get out of that session is hopefully we'll be able to take away some of the lessons he learned and some of his scars from doing that that will allow us to run better sessions in the future. We're going to hear from Lindsay Scott from PMO Flashmob. She's going to talk to us about how we measure the value of resource management. Now, this is something that came up in a recent PMO Flashmob session on service catalogs. We talked about how we do resource management, but it's one of those things that people seem to really struggle with how we could articulate the value of that service. We instinctively know it's valuable, but how do we actually put tangible measures to that to be able to demonstrate that value back to the business? That's going to be a discussion that we're going to have in the second half of the session. That's what we've got lined up for this week. If you're around at 3 p.m. UK time on Wednesday, then do join us on Zoom. If you are watching this video on LinkedIn, then the link you need to follow should be in the comments. Take a click on that, register, and you'll be sent a link to join us on Wednesday at 3 p.m. If you're watching it on YouTube, then the link should be in the blurb just below this video. Thanks very much. I'll see you on Wednesday.